lethal dysfunction. It's in the wiring, nothing will function. Hollow source not firing. Woke, he fried his brain on his way to Ukraine. Digital, not coincidental. ID not me, it's free, he's flipped. Not equipped, he's mental. Busy plotting, conspiring. Pathophysiology, broken. He's not a full basket, can't mask it. The explanation, blow your minds. It cause of cocaine and pain. Driving insane, going on a train to Ukraine. Dissolve, dilute, don't compute. Defy logic, wanna hit, no skit. Sherlock be home, problems inside his dome. Run silent, run deep, he creeps. He got a net, watching, twitching, batching belts. Safety inching, lock you up. Watching, spying all the time. You crying, he's frying, you dying. All because the cocaine got in his brain. Cocaine too much too soon, he's alone. Had his bone, gonna stay so cool, he's past the tissue. Is that an issue? Cocaine in his brain made him insane. Wokus pocus, he can't think, can't focus. Needs a plan, send him to Wuhan. They'll improve his function. He's a Fruit Loop, blame it on the bat soup. It's the cocaine. Cocaine made him insane. Untrained cocaine, go to Ukraine. Ukraine.